Tired of sharing ridiculously long URLs that scare people away? Let's tame those unwieldy links and supercharge your marketing with Short.io. First, head over to Short.io and create a free account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the dashboard. See that big Shorten link button? Click it. Now, paste your super long URL into the provided field. This is the link you want to shrink. Boom! Short.io instantly generates a concise, shareable link. Click the copy button to grab it, paste it anywhere: social media, emails, you name it. Want to take it a step further? Add a custom domain for branding. Under Settings, navigate to Domains and link your website domain. The real magic happens with analytics. Short.io tracks every click on your links. You can see how many people clicked, where they're from, and even what time they clicked. Use this data to optimize your campaigns. For advanced users, explore features like link cloaking to hide the destination URL or geographical targeting to send users to different pages based on their location. So, ditch those messy links and embrace the power of Short.io. Start shortening, tracking, and optimizing your links today. Your marketing will thank you.